30th, 2022. Ian has made landfall in South Carolina, marking the first hurricane to make landfall there in nearly 6 years.
Roads are flooded. Stores are flooded.
Ian, downgraded to a post-tropical storm, generated flooding, strong gusts, and heavy rain on the state's coast, causing damage in certain places. Communities along the coast are currently struggling with the effects of storm surge flooding. On Friday afternoon, there was so much water on the streets of Ocean Isle Beach that they appeared to be rivers. Hurricane Ian's storm surge, which arrived at high tide, exacerbated the issue. The water was down by Saturday.
And again, stay as close as you can to those signs over there.
After Ian made landfall near Georgetown at around 2 p.m., Myrtle Beach was among the most damaged regions along the coast of South Carolina. Strong waves from Ian broke apart the Cherry Grove Pier, a landmark constructed in North Myrtle Beach in the early 1950s. Similar to the situation in Ocean Isle Beach, there was also considerable flooding in the Cherry Grove community, with roadways turning into rivers. Water reached mailboxes and inundated yards and roadways. Hurricane Ian caused a record-breaking storm surge of more than 6 feet at Myrtle Beach. Ocean Boulevard and neighboring streets, mostly on the east side of Highway 17, a stretch of road lined with eateries and tourist destinations, were submerged by water. In Myrtle Beach, violent winds tore the siding and roofs off of houses and businesses.